Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 14th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had another one of these nickel and dime days, but we did make money. And I've been looking at how we're doing here, and we are not making a huge amount of money so far in June, but we are definitely positive. And what's happening is we're getting through some pretty crappy markets with losing very little and every once in a while making some money. So we are definitely positive. And if we can stay positive in bad markets, that's a real accomplishment, because most traders are losing in these markets, I am sure. The Dow, I told you yesterday, we had this big spike down the very last 15 minutes of the day yesterday, and I said most likely the Dow would go lower. It did ultimately end up down 26, so I was kind of right there, but the Dow ended up opening higher this morning, and then it failed there, and then really came down pretty hard, bounced around, and closed right there, down 26. But again, this is hardly a big sell-off, and in spite of the seesaw action of the overall market, we did manage to make some money. We improved our positions from yesterday. We had 6 positions coming in, and we closed out positive $3,100 on those 6 positions, and then we got into 5 new positions. 3 were positive, 2 were negative, and we're carrying another $3,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So, we rack up $6,000. Hey, we'll take it. I think that's a good performance in these very unpredictable seesaw markets. I've got 2 good trades to show you, and these were really the only good trades we had. But if you got 2 good trades, they can carry the day, and that's exactly what happened today. This first one is HEAR, HEAR, which is Turtle Beach Corporation. I mentioned this yesterday as being a really good stock. We had a trade just a few days ago where we made $11,000 or something in this. Anyway, yesterday we bought this right at the beginning of the day. It did close favorably, and then it pops up here very nicely for our exit today, and we took $5,000 out of Turtle Beach. And if you look at how it went the rest of the day, it topped out just a little above where we got out, and then it sold off to the point where we would have broken even had we hung on to it. We didn't hang on to it. We got out of it with $5,000. So that was really nice. And then that was for our closeout trades. That's what gave us positive numbers for our closed-out trades. And then this is new trades that we entered today. This is really the only trade that did anything today. This is INSY, Insys Therapeutics Incorporated, or INSY as I like to say. We bought this right out of the gate this morning, and it kept going. Did pull back a little, but then came back some. Not too bad. And we're holding that with $3.4 thousand, $3,400 in open trade profit. So pretty good day. I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I will be back here tomorrow on Friday.